You think you're just uploading videos on YouTube and then you hope for the best? If you're thinking that way, then stop right there, because the reason being is your YouTube analytics holds the keys to level up your YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you why understanding your YouTube analytics is difference between growth and stagnation on YouTube. But however, you need to stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you a secret trick which other content creators are always ignoring. Your analytics is not just a number, but it's a feedback from your audience. It tells you what works and what doesn't work and which area you need to improve on. For instance, if your click-through rate is showing really low, it might be that maybe your title or your thumbnails are the one holding you back. So why don't you fix it and see the improvement it might make? You can see the improvement this can make or the differences it can make. Then you can start seeing more views on that videos when you arrange your thumbnails as well as your title. If your thumbnails and your title are not attractive enough, nobody will click on your videos. It's just like a roadmap. Without it, people will be just guessing that, oh, this video is not a good video, so why would I click on it? So work on your thumbnail and your title if your click-through rate is showing really low views. There are 4 key areas that you need to focus on when you are tracking your analytics. This can enable you to know if your channel is doing really, really well. These 4 keys are the secret I'm going to share with you, how you can observe this on your YouTube channel, on your analytics. Then you will know if your channel is doing well or if it's not doing well. So let's dive in. So the first one is you need to look at your watch time. Your watch time will tell YouTube that your content is engaging. The higher the watch time, the more YouTube will push your videos there, because they will know your content or your video is very valuable, that people like it and people will engage in it. And then this is how they will push your content more to a wider audience there. This is how you increase your views, and this is how you improve that video. So this is a very key point. And the second analytics you need to focus on is your CTR, which is your click-through rate. If you have a low CTR, that is a low click-through rate, then you are losing potential viewers there, because if people come to your videos, they see your videos, it doesn't attract them enough to click on it, then that means you are losing them. So this is the reason why we always said, work on your title, work on your thumbnails, let it be attractive enough. Let your thumbnails and your title becomes very, very eye-catchy, so that when people see your thumbnails, they see your title, they will be so eager to click on it. And the more they click on it, the more higher your CTR rate will go up. And this is how you gain more views on their videos. So work on your title and work on your thumbnails so that people can click on your videos and then watch you through. This is how you maximize your CTR rate. And the third analytics that you need to focus on is audience retention. See where people drop off so that you can understand where you need to work on more. If people come and click on maybe you've already made your title and your thumbnails very, very attractive or eye-catchy enough for people to come and click on that video. But however, immediately they click on that thumbnails, they start watching, and then they click off. Maybe you need to find out where are they clicking off by observing, by analyzing your analytics. Where do they click and where did they click off? Maybe that's the area you can improve on. Maybe it can be on the introduction, the mid part, or the ending part. So those are the areas you need to work on. So work on your audience retention. See where they click and where they click off. That is very, very important. Then you can work on your videos and improve more in order for you to maximize your views. And the last one, which is the 4th area that you need to focus on your analytics, is your demographics and your traffic source. What does that mean? You need to understand where are your audience coming from, who are your audience, who are your target audience, who are watching you, where are they from, what are the age group, or which ethnicity or which country are they coming from. This is very, very important. You need to know where are your audience coming from, and what is the age group, and what is the gender like. So you need to know your audience. Who are your target audience that are watching your videos? So those are your target audience. So this will enable you to tailor up your content strategies, what you can do to improve more on your video, so that you can include this your audience demographic. That is, you're looking at the age group, you're looking at where they are coming from. So those are the areas. This is a very, very important section that you need to know who are your audience, because they are the one that will come and watch your videos. So make sure they are all inclusive, part of your content that you are creating. Now we've come to the part when I said stick around until the end, then I will show you what are the top secrets that other content creators are always ignoring. That is common mistakes that creators really made. So we are going to walk them through step by step so that we can all avoid these common mistakes. Mistake number 1. If you're ignoring your analytics and you're not reviewing your data, see how the progress of your channel is making, then you're just flying blindly without knowing where you are going. And the common mistake number 2 is when content creators focus on the view counts. It's not just about the view count, but what is the quality of their view? Because when viewers click on your videos, it counts as one view, but however, what is the quality of their view? Did they view till the end of your videos, or did they just click and then click out? Because the more view on that video, the more lengthy view of that video, that is how you gain more watch hours. So if you see the views, is going high. Have you checked what's the quality of that view? Do people watch throughout of your video, or do they just click and then leave? So those are the things you need to monitor as well. Your quality of your view, if people watch to the end of your video, that is how you will gain more watch hours. Mistake number 3 is don't panic when sometimes you have a bad day. Sometimes maybe you upload your videos, you don't see more views on it. Don't panic at all. Give it some time. Don't focus on bad days. Sometimes you wake up in the morning, you check your analytics or you check your videos, you haven't seen any views or you haven't seen any comments or no engagement at all on your videos. That doesn't mean that your videos are not doing well. Maybe give it some time. It's not every day people go on YouTube to watch. So give it some time. Sometimes even YouTube can also do some work around on your YouTube channel. So don't panic when sometimes you get some bad days, when you haven't seen any views or content. Give it some time. So don't panic at all about that. Give it some time and just rest assured, because as long as you're providing quality content there, the views will come. So now, how are we going to take action in order for us to start monitoring and tracking our analytics? So the best thing you need to focus in, testing your thumbnails. So whenever you're uploading a videos, there are sessions on when you're uploading your videos where you can test your thumbnails. Maybe do 2 to 3 thumbnails where you can test, then you can see which one is right. The algorithm will show you which one is the right thumbnail. So create different thumbnails, up to 3 for one videos, and then you do the testing when you're uploading. Then the algorithm will choose which one is the right thumbnail for that video that will optimize your view count. And also your title. And the second test is use different length of your videos. You can do short videos, you can do long form videos. Test the length of those videos and see which one works best. So test the length. You can do a 5-minute video, you can do an 8-minute video, 10 minutes or 20, 30 minutes, and then see which one works. So you need to test the length of your videos and see which one will work best for you, which one viewers watch more. So that's another way of studying your analytics and see which of the length of the videos that works. Then those are the length that you need to really focus on and working on your videos. And the second action you need to take is work on your schedule's time. When you upload the new videos, do you schedule them or do you just publish it straight away to public? So in this sense, if you're just publishing straight to public, this can affect your views. So ideally, you need to schedule your videos. This will give YouTube more time to analyze your videos to see what videos it is, and then they will know which right audience to push your videos, because YouTube needs to know what type of video it is, and then they will know which audience to push your videos out to. So schedule your videos, maybe even if it's from 6 to 24 hours, you need to schedule your video so that this will give YouTube more time to know what your video is, and then they will know which audience there they need to publish your videos to. So always remember to schedule your videos, give it more time before you can put it on public. This is very, very important. Now that you know why your analytics matters, now you need to dive in straight away to your YouTube dashboard and see what are your audience telling you. If they are telling you that you need to work on more on your title, your thumbnails, or your introduction, then you need to give it to them. You need to work on them, see how improvements your channel will become, because we are here working for our audience. Because when you're uploading videos on YouTube, you're uploading it hoping that audience will come and watch your videos. So you need to listen to what your audience are telling you and work on what they are telling you. So leave a comment on the comment section below if you find this content very interesting, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button so that each time I upload any new videos, you will be the first person to be notified. So I will see you on the next video. Take care now. Love you all. Bye. Bye.